Hey guys, can you solve 60 divided by 5 times 3 minus 2 squared? Okay, 60 divided by 5 equals 12 times 3 minus 2 squared. Now 12 times 3 equals 36 minus 2 squared, and now 36 minus 2 equals 34 squared. Now 34 squared equals 1156, right? But this is wrong. What is wrong? The exponent applies only to 2, right? Not to the whole expression. Exponents must be done only. Now let's solve it correctly. 60 divided by 5 equals 12, right? Times 3 and minus 2 squared. Now 12 times 3 equals 36 minus 2 squared. Now 36 minus 2 squared equals 2 times 2 equals 4, right? Now 36 minus 4 equals 32.